Is your car showing a warning light and the repair costs keep adding up? What if you could diagnose the problem yourself and save money? In this video, we'll show you the top 5 best car diagnostic tools that help you find issues fast, avoid unnecessary repairs, and make smarter decisions. Watch till the end to find out which tool is the best choice for you. Let's get started. Item number 5. The MUCAR 892BT is a powerful AI-driven car diagnostic tool designed for professionals and advanced users. It supports 150+ car brands and over 10,000 vehicles with lifetime free updates and no subscription fees. This scanner offers full system diagnostics, 35 reset functions, ECU coding, and bi-directional active tests. With support for CANFD, DoIP, and OBD2, it works perfectly on modern vehicles, including FCA models with Auto-Auth SGW unlock. Powered by Android 10, an 8-inch HD display, and AI intelligent diagnostics, the MUCAR 892BT delivers fast, accurate, and smart vehicle analysis, helping you save time, reduce repair costs, and diagnose like a pro. Item number 4. The XTOOL D8S is a professional automotive diagnostic tool designed for workshops and car enthusiasts. It features OE-level all-system diagnostics, 42+ service functions, advanced ECU coding, and bi-directional active tests, making it as capable as factory tools. With CANFD and DoIP support, it works on modern vehicles and secured gateway systems. The device has a high-end Android 10 OS, 8-inch HD display, 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage, and 5,000 mAh battery, providing fast, smooth operation. Additional features include pre- and post-scan, Diagnostic Report 2.0, VAG-guided functions, and module topology mapping, ensuring smarter, faster, and cost-effective vehicle diagnosis. Item number 3. The KINGBOLEN K7 is a professional all-system car diagnostic tool with 28 reset functions, ECU coding, and bi-directional active tests, all with lifetime free updates. Powered by Android 10, a 7-inch HD display, 2GB of RAM, 32GB of storage, and a 6,000 mAh battery, it delivers smooth performance. The tool supports CANFD protocol, ABS, engine, SRS, transmission, fuel, brake, TPMS, and more, and can reflash ECUs, recode modules, and unlock hidden features. With 18 language support, Wi-Fi connectivity, and OE-level diagnostics, KINGBOLEN K7 ensures accurate, fast, and cost-effective vehicle analysis, making it perfect for both professional workshops and car enthusiasts. Item number 2. The Autofix IM1 is a professional car key programming and diagnostic tool designed for locksmiths and automotive experts. It supports OE-level all-system diagnostics, 40+ service functions, and bi-directional control across 10,000+ vehicle models worldwide, including modern CANFD and DoIP protocols. The tool offers advanced IMMO features such as key generation, reading pins, ECU reset, and key adaptation. Powered by Android 9, a 7-inch HD display, 2GB RAM, 64GB storage, and a 5,800 mAh battery, it ensures smooth, reliable performance. With XP1 compatibility, cloud-based reports, and 2 years of free updates, Autofix IM1 delivers fast, accurate, and cost-effective vehicle diagnostics and key programming. Item number 1 is the Launch X431 Pros V5.0 is a professional all-system car diagnostic tool with 37+ reset functions, ECU coding, and active tests, designed for over 100 car brands and 20,000 models worldwide. Powered by Android 10, a quad-core 2.0 GHz processor, 4GB of RAM, 64GB of storage, 8-inch HD display, and 6,300 mAh battery, it delivers smooth and fast diagnostics. The tool supports VAG-guided functions, FCA auto-off, and global version no IP limits, covering engines, ABS, SRS, transmission, airbags, key coding, and more. With 2 years free updates, 5-year warranty and lifetime tech support, it ensures accurate, reliable, and cost-effective vehicle diagnostics. Which of these car diagnostic tools is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.